In the noisy treetops of the jungle lived Polly the Parrot, who loved to talk. But Polly didn't always get the words quite right.
Top of the muffin to ya.
Meant to say top of the morning to you.
Tell everyone to bring a blanket and snacks.
Blankets and bats? Got it. Benny says bring hats and cats.
Hats and cats? Okay. Bring cats and bats.
Cats and bats? This should be interesting. Bring mats and gnats.
Meant to say turtle voice. Well, if Benny says so. Animals show up at the picnic with a sun hat on a cat, a swarm of fake toy gnats, a bat hanging upside down, also confused.
What is happening?
Polly arrives with a pineapple on her head and a duck following her.
Polly, what message did you send?
Blankets and snacks. Or was it bats and quacks? Quacks and hats?
I think we just played the silliest game of jungle telephone ever.
Let's make it official. Jungle telephone game.
The animals form a line. One animal whispers a word like banana party. By the time it reaches Polly, it becomes
Banana fart tree?
everyone laughs hysterically. Later that evening, around the fire,
Polly, you may mix things up, but you make every day more fun.
I guess I'm not the best at repeating, but I am the best at laughing.
Polly teaches the jungle animals how to play real telephone the right way, with lots of giggles in between. Polly may have jumbled her words, but she brought the jungle together, one silly sentence at a time.